Hey guys, welcome to my crib. Come on in guys, don't be scared. So this is my kitchen, you guys. So let's see what I have in my refrigerator. Oh, you know, we got some Gatorade over here. You gotta stay hydrated in this hot ass weather out here in Atlanta because it gets real crazy out here. Got some water, some orange juice, you know, we got some vegetables and all that. Yeah, and then we have our freezer and our deep freezer. Is that what it's called, right? Like a deep freezer?
No, not really.
No, it's not a deep freezer. Okay, scratch that. It's not a deep freezer. I do have this storage room over here. So this is where we're gonna like keep all of our like suitcases, and like we have like our air mattresses in here, and just for like when people want to come over to like stay the night, like our family and friends from like back home, we'll like keep all of our covers and pillows in here. So over here we have our shoe rack. Because you guys, if you guys see, I'm like all over the place. I'm gonna get to the kitchen right now, but as you guys can see, our carpet is, so we have like hardwood floor in the kitchen, we have hardwood floor in the bathrooms, and then that's it. Everything else is carpet. So you already know we can't keep any shoes on the carpet, just because we wanted to keep it clean, and I just feel like this color can get dirty really fast. So that's why we have a shoe rack. So if y'all try to come over our house, make sure y'all have some clean socks on and make sure your toes is done because I'm asking y'all to take your shoes off. Okay, so now into the kitchen. So this is, I don't even know what you would even like call this.
Granite?
Is it granite? Okay, so it's like the cream color, like granite. One of my favorite things about the kitchen, you guys, is that we have a deep sink. I've never had that before, and I think it's just so convenient and easy to have a deep sink because you have so much space to just like do whatever you need to do. You know what I mean? Moving on. So over here we have our dishwasher, which is super convenient. I love that we have so many different like cabinet spaces, storage, and I really love this light gray taupey colorway. I really like light things, so I feel like when your apartment has light color, it just makes it look a lot brighter, and I'm obsessed with brightness in the house, which is why like we chose this apartment, because there's a lot of natural light in here, and I love that there's so much like lighting, like artificial lighting in here as well. And I love that cabinets are white as well. I wear makeup all the time, so hopefully I don't mess up the cabinets and all of my prints on it. And then if we look to this side, we have our microwave, stove. We bought a little bit of like decoration. And then this right here is my favorite part of the kitchen. You guys, it's our pantry. And we started shopping a little bit. These are my favorite snacks. Goldfish. Also, you guys, these Ruffled chips all dressed flavor are like so bomb. And then yeah, so we just keep like all of our, I'm not gonna go through all of the snacks in here, but this is our pantry. I've never owned or had a pantry in my house before, so I'm really excited about this, just to keep all of our snacks in there. And then this would be our last part of the kitchen area, and this is our trash can / washer and dryer. We have like a walk-in washer and dryer. Excuse the like messiness of this. We're still like,
I wasn't even getting it.
Okay. Yeah, so I like that this is kind of like a walk-in, and we can kind of just like have room to like, you know what I mean, pick stuff up. Right, so moving on to the living room. Come on, you guys. I love how big and spacious my living room is. This is also another reason why we fell in love with the place, is because a lot of the apartments out here in Atlanta, for some reason, the living rooms are like small, like they're not big for whatever reason. So I love that this is really big and spacious. So over here, I don't know what this is, but we can't get into here, and sometimes it makes noises in here, which is a little scary. But I think this is like the, what is it, like the hot, what do you call it?
The heater.
Yeah, the whatever you call it. And then over here, which I really love, is that we do have shelves. So we don't have to put shelves together ourselves. It already came with the apartment. And we're gonna, of course, decorate all of this. I'm not sure what we're gonna put right here. Maybe some flowers and just like little, I don't know. We'll figure it out what we're gonna put over here. All right, and then we have this ceiling fan over here. And then, and then over here we have our big, large window. This is pretty much what's bringing in all the light into our apartment is this right here. On to the room where all the magic happens. Just kidding, no magic happens in this room. So this is my room. Oh my God, there is a stain right here. Okay, so this is my room. Does it look good or no?
You're gonna switch.
It? Okay, but I just want them to see
Yeah.
like, so this is my room and this is literally what made me like, be like, okay, I'm getting this apartment is because of these big windows. You guys know I'm obsessed with lighting and I felt like it was perfect for like filming, taking pictures, and I just fell in love with it. Like it's so big. Oh, hey, okay. So yeah, so my windows are behind you. This is my room. It's not as big as I would have liked it to be, but literally the windows kind of make up for that. So I'm not like totally mad that my room is not really big. I am receiving my mattress today. It should be coming any minute now. And my bedding and my bed frame and all that should be coming this week. So I'll at least have that like already taken care of. And then I do want a vanity area. I think I want to put my vanity area. Should I close the door?
Okay.
Yeah? Okay. I do want to put my vanity area maybe like right here. Because I always wanted one and I never had one. So I'm getting one for this apartment. I'll probably have my bed like right in this area. And then maybe like 2 nightstands. And that's pretty much it. I'm not getting a TV in my room because I don't watch TV. It's a waste of time. So if we come in here, this is my bathroom. And I love my bathroom because it's really big. And I've already kind of like started decorating it a little bit. I wanted to go with a marble kind of print, like silver, white, grayish kind of color block. Is that what it's called?
Colorway.
Color what?
Way.
Just kidding, colorway. I already bought my my rug for my shower. So if we come to this side, we have more of the gray taupey colorway for the bathrooms. It's literally the same print as the kitchen. For the tabletop, for the sink top, and then for the cabinets as well. I do have the matching soap, marble soap to match the curtain. I just feel like marble is just so like bougie and rich, and I just really like it. It's really cute. So I have my candle over here. This is actually my favorite candle. It's from Bath & Body, White Barn, whatever. It's called Cactus Blossom. I'm putting it onto this because it smells literally amazing. I love this huge mirror. Like literally, guys, I love to be in this mirror like all the freaking time. We have double sinks, his and her sinks. We go in here, we have my closet. I never had a walk-in closet before. This is my first time having a closet I could walk into, so I'm really excited about that. So yeah, so this is my closet. I have all my shoes lined up over here, and yeah. So now let's move into the second bedroom. So this is a 2-bed, 2-bath apartment. When we come into her bathroom, it's the same print as mine. It has the nude cream color top with the gray taupey cabinets. She's going with like a nude and white color scheme. This is her shower over here. And then if we come over here, this is her linen closet. This is where she's keeping all of her towels and perfumes, face wash. So this is my roommate's closet. It's really nice because it's really big and she can do backflips in here and break dance and all that good stuff because she has a lot of space. This is her room over here. She does have a lot of good light coming in as well, if she just would pull the blinds up. But she is also getting her mattress, I think sometime this week. So don't mind the air mattress on the floor because, you know, sometimes you just gotta do what you gotta do. So you guys saw my room, my best friend's room, our bathroom, pretty much the whole entire apartment. The only thing that we're waiting on right now is just for my mattress to get here. Like I said, it should get here today, so we're just kind of waiting on that. Is that it? I think that's it. Come on guys, let's see how my mattress looks. I'm super excited for you guys to see my mattress because I have teamed up with Lil Mattress. Oh my goodness, it arrived right to my door. Let's bring it in. Okay guys, so bear with me because the mattress is pretty heavy. This is a queen size mattress. So I'm just gonna scoop this into my room. So let's see if I'm able, let's see if I'm able to put this together. I mean, it's pretty easy to put together, but just in terms of like getting it out of the box, it's gonna really work me out, y'all. I'm so excited, you guys. I'm tired of sleeping on that air mattress because it's so not comfortable. And I just heard so many good things about the Low bed. Sorry guys. I just heard so many good things about the Low mattress. I just had to try it. They do have free returns, so if you're unhappy about your purchase, you can definitely return it. They do have free shipping as well. And then also, you guys, they do have a 100-night trial, which is really awesome. So like I said, they are all about customer service and making sure that the customer is happy and is happy with their product. So those are really cool things that La offers. So let's bring the mattress out of this box. I'm trying to think of the easiest way to do this. Maybe just lay it on the floor.
Or that side that is already open, just pull it.
Oh, okay. Are you so smart, Amy? I should probably get the scissors. Oh. No! You guys, this is why I cannot wear white. Because it gets dirty so freaking fast. Should I just push it out like that? Alright, that was pretty easy. Alright, so I have my handy dandy scissors. I'm going to cut this open. Ooh, I can already see it like starting to expand. Ooh. Oh my goodness, you guys. Alright, so I'm just going to put, oh wait. Now I'm going to flip it over and try out my new mattress to see how comfortable it is. Okay, so I am going to lay down on my mattress for the first time. I'm so excited. Last mattress I had was like, I don't even know. I had it since college and I just haven't like switched out, got a new one. So I'm really excited to try this out because I've been having really bad sleep past couple months, so I'm excited to finally have something that I can finally be comfortable in. Woo! Oh my god. You guys, I could just like knock out right now. You guys, this is it. This is my new La mattress and I'm so excited. Thank you so much, La, for sponsoring this video. It's super comfy. I can't wait to put my bedding on it and put it on my bed frame. So I don't have to sleep on the floor anymore. But literally sleeping on the floor, it's not an issue when you have a mattress like this. So we're gonna end this video because this video is like super long. This is it for my empty house tour. Thank you so much, La Mattress, for sponsoring this video. I'm super excited about my new mattress. It's so comfortable and I can't wait to sleep in it tonight. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will have more videos coming to you guys. And yeah, thanks so much. I love you guys. See you soon.